Kelley, and I'm here showing you how to do the tubular bind off. So I have separated the knit stitches and put them on this black needle, and I put the pearl stitches on the silver needle in the back all the way around. And now I'm just going to be working on these two needles in the front here, and I've also marked the first knit stitch and the first purl stitch. And I have threaded a darning needle with 4 times the width of the project that I'm doing in the tubular bind off, and I am ready to get to work. So the pattern is knit, off, purl, and you want to pull your yarn so that your yarn is snug but not super tight. And your back needle will be, oops, I almost went to the wrong needle, gotta pay attention, just the ones in the front. Purl, off, knit. There you go. And the reason why we mark the 2 stitches, the very first 2 stitches, is they'll be worked the second time when we come back to finish up our tubular bind off. So we go ahead and repeat that 4-step series again. And it is a front needle is knit, off, purl. And your yarn gets tangled all over the place, and don't worry about that, just snug it up. Actually, I think I'll snug this over the top of this stitch marker because that is just going to make the tension not as good. So you want to put that so that stitch gets down there. There you go. And we have I just did a knit off purl. And so on the back one, I'm going to be doing a purl, off, knit. Knit, off, purl. Oops, it wrapped around there again. And it actually went up on top of there. So you got to make sure and get it about the same tension as your work, but try and keep it so it's not tangled up on your previous work. Purl, off, knit. Knit, off, purl. And I'm going to continue doing this all the way around until I get to the last 2 stitches, and I'm going to show you how to do it. So I followed my pattern all the way through, going knit, off, purl, purl, off, knit, till I had 2 stitches left. Then I put the ones that I had put that stitch marker around in the beginning, I put them back on the needles. And then I'm going to remove the stitch markers, and they will be worked their last time, and then we'll be completely done with our tubular bind off. So you take those stitch markers off, and you go ahead and repeat that pattern one more time, going knit, off, purl. Except for this time, this stitch has already been worked once because it was the one from that the stitch marker was on, so you can take that one off. And then to work the second ones, this one is a purl, off, knit. And you take that one off. And then you have totally completed your bind off. And this is what it looks like when it's done.